Welcome back, and now a look at the other events in the state.
The concluding function of 24th Road Safety Week was held at DMC College in Mapusa. Deputy CM Francis D'Souza, Transport Director Arun Desai, Deputy Collector Sabaji Shetye, Mapusa Municipality Chairperson Sudhir Kandolkar and others were present at the function.
In most of the cases, the drivers of the ill-fated vehicles are under intoxication, either of drinks or drugs.
Margao Traffic Cell as part of Road Safety Week trained the students of New Era High School at Madgaon. Students were trained and were deployed at various places in commercial city to regulate traffic.
Before getting them on the field, they were trained in their schools with the traffic signals, and they were told about the safety rules and the various traffic rules, and it is also told them that the training they get in the traffic signals, they could use that during their school functions.
Kudchade senior citizens observed 7th death anniversary of Agnello Mascarenhas. President of Senior Citizen Forum Chandrakant Markane has appealed the senior citizens of Kudchade to join the club. Meanwhile, Kudchade MLA Niresh Kabral has said that he would try to set up an office for the senior citizens in Kudchade.
Office for Senior Citizen Forum एक pending issue आसा. हांव तेजे फाटल्यान लागलो आसा की आमचे जे सुधा मार्केट जे आसा, it is there is one shop, there are shops which are available. ते तुमचे ऑफिस करपाचो एक म्हजो आयडिया आसा. पूण काय गव्हर्नमेंट ब्युरोक्रेसी ही हांवूय गव्हर्नमेंटान आसा, पूण ब्युरोक्रेसी हे कारणान ते खंय तरी अड्रेस केल्ले आसा. म्हाका दिसता थोड्या दिसांनी it is possible that you might get an office there.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And now news from sports. Sporting Clube de Goa coach Oscar Bruzon is not happy with the performance of his boys against Shillong Lajong. The Flaming Oranje failed to combine well and also missed good chances in Tuesday's I-League match at Mapusa. The match ended in a goalless draw. As a result, Sporting are now in 10th position in the league, while Shillong Lajong are placed 2 places below the Goan club.
Personally, it's not the worst. The worst is the game model that we made today. I'm not happy with how we play. Result is 1 point. We share the points. We still maintain the difference with the relegation area, but of course I am not happy with the circumstances of the match.
Especially in the fag end, you'll miss 2 good chances, very good chances. You should have seen them.
Yeah, but I think that we need to have more ball possession. Shillong only with long balls, they were making a lot of trials on our defense.
Right.
So we tried to make the same football as Shillong, and I think that was a big mistake for us. We need to combine more, to have long possessions, to move the ball fast, and to make Shillong run after the ball. And today I haven't seen that on the pitch.
Right.
Very good chance. Was 1 goal would have won the game, either way. So I thought we had a spell there when we were the better team. Sushil gets a header. Did your goalkeeper save it? Did he save it?
Yeah. He got his
He's got his fingers to it. So,
That's the corner.
no, that's a certain goal. He's heading it from 2 yards out. But credit to your goalkeeper, he saved it. If that had gone in, we'd have won the game. And then I thought we were nervous at the back. And you had a couple of chances. So
The last few chances.
yeah, I thought we had a little spell when we were the better team. But it was a good game. And at the end of the day, I got satisfied with the draw. But I thought we deserved to win it because that chance came at the right time.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.